Fujian Nan'an Julun Machinery Company Limited is a professional producer of stone machinery, located in Quanzhou City of Fujian Province. As one of the top 10 user satisfaction of stone machinery enterprises of China and the strong and famous enterprises in Chinese stone material equipment field, the factory covers an area of 40,565 square meters and equipped with a group of good quality talents, standardized workshops, modernized scientific office buildings, and the first-class processing facilities. With an experience of producing stone machines, Julun is a manufacturer of machinery for stone processing, providing products for stone cutting, stone polishing, and stone profiling. Julun are well-organized and experienced team, and devoted into good quality machines and stable customer service. Every machine should be tested before sending to customers, which ensuring the quality and security. Julun products are not only featured with easy operation, but also the consistent quality and high performance, especially for the bridge cutting machine, block cutting machine, and automatic slabs polishing machine. Julun now is a competitive and mature enterprise connected with researching, developing, producing, making, and selling. The company will move towards product diversification, high-tech, high-quality direction, and continue to maintain the leading position of stone machinery industry leader. Julun is willing to sell to success together with customers all over the world to get win-win cooperation.